Chromebooks as the global equalizer. These small yet powerful devices can create a collaborative community that benefits all students. Chromebooks can be an effective one-to-one technology solution due to the nature of Google, where each student has an account that can be accessed through any device. Chromebooks can be placed by carts in each classroom, providing one-to-one access without the expense of providing a personal device to each student. Some benefits of Chromebooks. Number 1. They are effective in providing technology access to multiple platforms for a variety of learners. 2. They are efficient in their quick startup times and expansive network, making them accessible to both students and teachers. 3. Chromebooks are familiar as they are heavily implemented and used for education, making their adoption and diffusion process easy to roll out. The overall purpose of Chromebooks in an educational setting is to increase student achievement. With the plethora of extensions Google provides, each account can be tailored for each student's learning needs. Overall, Chromebooks can bridge the gap among students. Whether that be socioeconomic or accessibility, Chromebooks provide an effective way to ensure all students can be their very best. For more information, please visit the Technology Initiative website, which contains more examples and an in-depth description of this particular initiative. Thank you for your time.